Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, then please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. This is my Ford Escort MK3 Cabriolet. I've owned this for 24 years and it has turned into a bit of a joke between me and my friends. The joke is, it will be on the road next summer. That was back in 2001. Will I ever get this back on the road and enjoy it with my kids? As you can see from the photos, I've done a bit of work with the welding to begin with, and this was back in 2001. I did decide to put a Series 1 body kit on, but over time I've changed my mind and decided to get it all back into stock standard condition due to the values of the cars at the moment. After everything I've been through, this illness and in hospital for 5 months in 2012, and then in a wheelchair for a few months after that, and then I got back on my feet. There was a fire in next door's unit back in 2016, which you can see for some of the photos. It's been in numerous shipping containers and other units, and then finally in 2022 the car came home into a garage of my own at my house. Now it's time to give it the attention it deserves and get it back on the road. After years of being off the road and in storage containers, the brakes have been seized and have been stripped so as we can push it in out the garage. As you can see, there is not much room in the garage to work. Connected the battery, all the lights are working on the dash as they should. In the next clip you'll see us checking the fuel sender, that works fine. That's going to save me £400 for a new sender, that's on eBay, so that's a nice saving. In the next video we will be remanufacturing the fuel pump bracket and rubbers. As you can see on the clip above, there's not much left of them. The bracket is available on eBay. We've got two sorts, we've got a genuine, non-genuine. The non-genuine is 350 quid and the genuine one from Ford is 135. But that one from Ford is nothing like the original, so we're going to make our own, and you'll see that along with all the 3D printing of the rubber bits in the next video. Thank you. Apologies for the quality of this video. Back in 2001, phones with cameras or videos were not available to me, and I had to be old school and use the old camera and develop the photos. This is our first video and things will get better. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.